Here we go, guys.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, west central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Newton, or 4 miles east of St. Stephen's, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, St. Stephen's, Conover, Stony Point, Claremont, Catawba, Lookout Shoals Lake, Oxford, Millersville, and Scotts. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Catawba, and Argyle. The National Weather Service in Greenville